Take the magazine out. Take the slide bar back and lock it, just like that. And you're going to visually inspect it, make sure it's unloaded. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the rear top screw out using an Allen wrench. You'll take it all the way out. And be careful, because inside you will find a washer. And that washer can come out. And there it is. Do not lose that. You will need that to go back in. And the next thing you're going to do is, on the front here, there's another screw. And that acts kind of like a set screw. And you're going to take that out using an Allen wrench. And you're going to back it out until the barrel comes loose. So we have backed this screw out. It acts kind of like a set screw. You don't have to take it all the way out, but we've unscrewed it enough to where now the barrel can come off. And how you do that is you kind of start bending the barrel forward and the slide raises up a bit. And I like to take my thumb and hold the slide up a bit like that. And then the barrel just comes out like so. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take the slide and you're going to slide it back about an inch like this. Take your thumb and kind of hold it in place like that, and you're going to take this rod and you're going to lift on it, and you can see this housing's coming up. So you're going to lift the rod up and you're going to pull the housing out like that. And at this point, you can lift the whole thing out. Now this little plastic piece on here will come off. And it's kind of beveled. You can see how the rod fits in that bevel. And that's going to be important so when you put this back together. And it just hangs on there. It's going to take some dexterity to keep it in place when you put it back together. And I'll show you that too. Now at this point, the slide just easily lifts off like that. And there you have it. Now we're going to put all this back together. I'm going to take the slide and put it back on like this. And I'm going to hold my thumb right here and turn the gun over like this. And that's so the slide doesn't fall away. And I have that plastic piece with the beveled hole, which faces forward and towards the top. And I'm going to lay it right in like that. As you can see, just like that. I'm going to take the end of the rod, and you can see it's tapered there. It'll fit into the beveled hole like that. And then I'm going to fit this back down in the keyed hole that it belongs in, like so, and just push it down in place. Now it's time to put the barrel back on. Once again, I set it like this, and I lift the slide up like that, and I put that part underneath, and now I will put the set screw back in to hold the barrel, tightening it, and then I'm going to put the washer and the other screw back in the hole on the top back there. Make sure you hold it all together, and then just start taking that set screw back in with your Allen wrench till it's snug. Make sure you don't over tighten, you just want it snug. Like that. Now we're going to put the last screw in on the top. Make sure you put your washer back in, and it's beveled down. And make sure it's tight, but do not over tighten it. And there you have it.